Welcome to the Rim Brake Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to engine swap a Honda Accord. First, you'll need to identify compatible engine options that fit your specific Accord model. Researching necessary modifications is crucial for a successful swap, ensuring everything aligns correctly. Before you even begin, gather all the required tools and parts. This preparation saves time and prevents delays during the actual process, making the swap much smoother. Careful planning is key to a successful engine swap. Begin by selecting an engine that truly meets your performance goals, whether it's more power or better fuel efficiency. Always verify the engine's condition and mileage before making a purchase to avoid future headaches. Remember to budget for unexpected costs. These can easily add 10% to 20% to your total project expense. Being prepared financially is just as important as having the right parts. Now for the hands-on part. Safely remove the old engine and transmission, ensuring all connections are properly disconnected. Next, install the new engine mounts and carefully integrate the wiring harness, making sure every wire goes to its correct place. Finally, connect all essential fluids, like oil and coolant, and double-check all electrical components. Taking your time with each step will prevent issues down the road and ensure a smooth transition. After the swap, perform initial checks and fluid top-offs to ensure everything is at optimal levels. It's crucial to brake in the new engine according to manufacturer guidelines. This helps prolong its lifespan and ensures peak performance. Don't forget to stay hydrated during your projects. For a great way to do that, check out the Owala water bottle and other deals linked in the description below. Regular maintenance after the swap will keep your Accord running strong for many miles to come.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.